Hello everyone, welcome to Vignan Junior College, Shankarapuram, Kadapa. In this video, I am going to discuss about economics 2 marks important questions for intermediate second year. Let's go for the first question. That is biodiversity. Generally, what is meant by biodiversity? It means biodiversity refers to the different variety of plant and animal life in the planet. We will discuss one by one what is meant by biodiversity. Let's see here. First point, the term biodiversity introduced by Walter Rosen. It refers to the variety of plant life in the planet. Means different varieties of plant lives, either animal life or aquatic life in the planet, means in this earth. Third point, animals. See here, third point, animals, plants and creatures on the planet are interdependent, means mutual dependence on each other for performing various sustaining activities. Here, meaning of sustaining activities means the activities which are helpful for sustaining or existence of mankind. Next point is, such close interdependence among them is known as biodiversity. Next point, fifth point is, biodiversity leads to the environmental development. Once again, what is meant by biodiversity? First point is, the term biodiversity was introduced by Walter Rosen. It refers to the variety of plant life in the planet, means in this earth. Third point, animals, plants and creatures on the planet are interdependent, means mutual dependence on each other for performing various sustaining activities. Fourth point, such close interdependence among them is known as biodiversity. Fifth point, biodiversity leads to the environmental development. Vignan Degree College, Shankarapuram, Kadapa. Courses offered by the college are BCom Computers, BSc MScs, means Maths, Stats and Computers, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. Classes by 12 most popular lecturers, and you can also listen 10 days free demo classes. Range. What is meant by range? We have to know the meaning of range. Range is the simplest method of studying dispersion. Here dispersion means it is a statistical term which describes the size of a distribution of values for particular variable such as range, variance and standard deviation. Second point, it is defined as the difference between value of the smallest item and the value of largest item. Range includes in the distribution of values. Fourth point, range is equals to, there is formula for range. See here, range is equals to L minus S. L means largest item and S means smallest item. Say, take for example, calculate the range for 30 and 20. Here the answer is, largest item is 30 and the smallest item is 20. So range is equals to 10. Our answer is 10. See, 30 and 20. Range is equals to 10. So our range is equals to 10. Once again, what is meant by range? First point, range is the simplest method of studying dispersion. Second point, it is defined as the difference between value of smallest item and the value of largest item. Third point, range includes in distribution of values or variance or in standard deviation. Fourth point, The formula for range is equals to L minus S, where L is equals to largest item and S is equals to smallest item. If you liked our videos, please subscribe to our Vignan Junior College YouTube channel. That is Janani Suraksha Yojana. Janani Suraksha Yojana was started in 2005 to 2006. The main objective of this scheme is to reduce maternal and infant mortality rates. Here we have to know what is meant by maternal mortality rate and what is meant by infant mortality rate. See here, maternal mortality rate means death of women due to complications in pregnancy or in childbirth. Infant mortality rate refers to death rate of children at the age of below 5 years among the 1000 born children in a year. Infant and maternal mortality rates by promoting institutional deliveries in both public and private hospitals. Janani Suraksha Yojana plays a very vital role, means important role in the National Health Mission. Once again, what is main objective of Janani Suraksha Yojana? The first point is Janani Suraksha Yojana was started in year 2005 to 2006. The main objective of this scheme is to reduce maternal and infant mortality rates by promoting institutional deliveries in both public and private hospitals. Third point, Janani Suraksha Yojana plays a vital role, means important role in the National Health Mission. Vignan Degree College, Shankarapuram, Kadapa. Courses offered by the college are BCom Computers, BSc MScs, means Maths, Stats and Computers, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. Classes by 12 most popular lecturers, and you can also listen 10 days free demo classes. That is Raitu Bazaars. So Raitu Bazaars were established by the state government of Andhra Pradesh in 1999 in order to provide better prices for the farmers' output. Farmers are unable to sell their products in the market areas with their correct prices. So here government established one scheme or one place organization to sell their products in a particular place, that is Raitu Bazaar. The main objective of Raitu Bazaar is to control the exploitation of middlemen. Exploitation means the middlemen are unfairly taking the less prices from the farmers and selling at more prices to the consumers. So they are exploiting the farmers' hard work and their products. In Raitu Bazaars, farmers can sell their output directly to the consumers. So here no existence of middlemen. In Raitu Bazaar directly the farmers can sell their product to the consumer at their fixed prices, and here the government fixes the price for a product. The government provides all the necessary facilities in Raitu Bazaars. Whatever farmers required, those all necessities will be provided by the government. See, once again, what is meant by Raitu Bazaars? First point, the Raitu Bazaars were established by the state government of Andhra Pradesh in 1999 in order to provide better prices to the farmers' output. The main objective of Raitu Bazaars is to control the exploitation of middlemen. Third point, in Raitu Bazaars, the farmers can sell their output directly to the consumer. Fourth point, here the government fixes the price for a product. Fifth point, the government provides all the necessary facilities in Raitu Bazaars. Sustainable development. we have to know meaning of sustainable development. See here, the development which satisfies the needs of present generation without giving any effect to the future generation is known as sustainable development. In simple, we can say that the development which satisfies both present and also future is known as sustainable development. Take for example mineral resources. Mineral resources are used for present generation and we have to keep for the future generation also for the sustainable development. It refers to using resources and achieving development in such a way that both present and future generations are satisfied and protected. Sustainable development is a long-term process. It takes some time, so it is a long-term process. The continuous and consistent efforts are necessary for the achievement of sustainable development. In order to make environmental sustainability, the government of India introduced one green GDP concept. Here green GDP concept is nothing but it is a concept calculated by subtracting, see here I am writing, calculated by subtracting net natural capital consumption, net natural capital consumption minus standard GDP. It is nothing but it is a concept which was calculated by subtracting net natural capital consumption minus standard GDP. So, thank you.